Hi there. I know you have a scroll saw and you're just itching for a new project to get your teeth into. Well, here's a fun project that will give you a lot of enjoyment. You can order full colored patterns that you can stick onto a 1/8 inch thick hardboard. I guess that's 3.175 millimeters. And you can cut out with your saw. The model goes together using slots and it can be easily glued together with a glue gun. To get started on this fun and easy project, look in the description below for the link to my Etsy store. For $5, you can download the PDF ebook containing the full colored patterns and the numbered photographs showing where all your parts go. You can pay with PayPal or a credit card. Upon payment, you'll get an instant download to the PDF booklet sent to your email address. You can either print the 8.5 by 11 patterns on your own full color print supply place of your choice, and then have fun pasting onto hardboard the cutting out and assembling of your very own cool project. Here's what I do when I'm cutting out parts for my airplanes. I know that many of you scroll saw people are very good and very talented at doing this, but I tend to be playing it on the safe side. So what I do is, rather than cut right to the line, I leave a bit of white space for me, because for me it's very difficult to see with a black saw blade exactly where I'm cutting on the black. I cut it so that there's a bit of white showing. As you can see, by the pen, I've left a little bit of white to show you the difference, but I use the belt sander that you see on the right. It's a small belt sander put out by Delta, I think it is. Great little sander. I love this thing, and you can sneak up on the edge and actually sand perfectly. So it does a great job for me. Wow, this was a fun project. Take a minute and subscribe. That way you'll get notice of upcoming fun, easy projects in scroll saws. Also, please hit the like button. I'd like that very much. And let me know how you make out with this project in the comments. Have a great day and keep on scrolling.